Welcome to Cars Fuse, the ultimate destination for all things automotive related. One of the common questions vehicle owners keep on asking is, can a blown fuse drain a car battery? In this informative video, we will find out if a blown fuse drains a car battery or not. The various electrical components of a vehicle are protected by the fuses located in the fuse box or panel. The fuse box also includes fuses for the vehicle battery, which provides the initial power required to start the engine and supply electricity to the components. How fuses can affect the battery in a car. A faulty or blown fuse doesn't directly drain the car battery. There might be various other reasons for draining your car battery. When a fuse blows out due to reasons like overloading, it cuts the flow of electricity to the connected components. This is because the role of a fuse is to protect vital electrical components such as interior lights, power windows, infotainment systems, electrical accessories, starter motors, and so on. If you are worried about draining your car battery due to blown fuses, it is important to note that a blown fuse does not directly drain the car battery. When a fuse blows, it severs the circuit and prevents power from reaching the affected component. However, the car battery itself does not drain due to a blown fuse. It is more likely that other factors, such as prolonged use of electrical components, a faulty alternator, parasitic battery drain, or a weak battery, contribute to the battery drainage. Therefore, it is crucial to consider these factors when diagnosing battery issues rather than solely focusing on blown fuses. Battery drainage can occur due to various other reasons listed below. 1. Parasitic battery drain due to faulty wiring and malfunctioning modules. 2. Faulty alternator not generating enough power. 3. Aging or weak battery. 4. Corroded battery terminals. 5. Extended periods of inactivity. 6. Exposure to extreme temperatures. 7. Excessive electric load. By understanding the role of fuses, identifying potential causes of battery drainage, and implementing preventive measures, car owners can ensure the longevity of their batteries and enjoy an uninterrupted performance from their electrical systems. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cars Fuse for more automotive tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.